How nice is that little bubbling away?
Right guys, just come to Lidl. Let's go and see what savvy meal I can cook up tonight. Right, first off, grab ourselves a basket. And look at that, new on the bakery, Nutella cakes. Oh wow. Right, so first off, I'm going to try this beef casserole season mix, only 36p. Right, next we need some meat, so I'm going to go with beef. Now I was going to get diced beef, but it's $3.99, so I want to try and keep the price down. So I'm going to try these 12 meatballs, £2.29. Right, okay, I'm going to go with some red onions, 89p. Right, next we need some carrots, right, organic ones, 99p. But I think we'll get these 65p for 1 kilo of carrots. Next, we're going to grab a sweet potato. Now that is absolutely, I don't even, is that a sweet potato? What is that? What? £1.15, it's massive. And finally, I'm going to get some stuffing mix. Only 45p and it'll bulk out any meal. Right, Lucy Lou, cook me something up.
A Pyrex dish for $12.99.
Never mind a Pyrex dish, love. Cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so back home now, Lucy. So what do you think about the ingredients you got here?
That is a massive sweet potato, isn't it? So I'm just going to start peeling this as well. But good lot of ingredients, to be honest. I mean, it's meant to be a casserole, isn't it? But I'm going to do it a little bit different. Once that's peeled, just going to chop it all up and get these in a hot boiling pan of water. Next, I'm going to peel my carrots and get those all chopped up, and we're going to pop these in the pan with the sweet potato as well and get them boiling. While they're boiling away, get your onion cut up. So once they're chopped up, I'm just going to stick them in a hot oil pan. And next, get your beef balls in. While they're cooking away, I'm just going to make some stuffing up. How I make my stuffing is, I add the boiling water first and give it a mix up. And then I also add a spoonful of butter. And you want to be mixing it as well. Well, this is how I do mine. And I don't flatten it down. I leave it into like peaks like that. Quite thick. You can do it into balls if you like. I just like doing it like this. And then I put it into the oven for about 15-20 minutes. Like so, just like that. So guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meals? So now I'm just turning over my meatballs, doing the other side. So while the balls are cooking out nicely, I'm just going to add my mix to 400 mils of cold water. It does say add to 425, but I'm making it a little bit thicker because we're not actually having a casserole. So just give it a mix up. This is cold water. So I've taken some of the carrots out, and the rest are going to be mashed up with the sweet pepper. So there we go, and now I'm going to add my mix to the pan. And we're just going to leave this to cook for about 15-20 minutes. So the stuffing is now done now, so what I'm going to do is just get a spoon like this and just add them into here. Now, like I said, this is just a quicker way of doing it than rolling it into balls. And we're just going to add it into all the mix like that. So just drain off your sweet potato and your carrot, and I'm going to make this into mash. Make your mash up however you like. I'm adding salt and pepper, and I might just add in like a little spoon of butter. Right, so that's ready to serve up. So let's get some of this orange mash onto the plate, like so. And if you don't like sweet potato, you could use normal mash if you like. And this sauce has really thickened up now. Look at that. How nice is that look bubbling away? And we're just going to get that, oh gosh, it's very heavy. Just going to get that straight on to the mash, like that.
And there you go, a lovely, nice, hearty, savvy meal from Lucy Lou. Right, let's give it a try and see what it's like. That's absolutely gorgeous. Guys, go to Lidl, give that a try, and keep following for more savvy meals.